Hi, beautiful people. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. Today is another stunning short haircuts for beautiful black women. Those are a great style for those that are looking for a style to really spice up their look. This is a style for beautiful African American women. It's a haircut that will make you to stand out in the crowd. I love this hairstyle because they are the latest short haircuts that are trending. So if you really want something that will boost your confidence, something that will make you look different and unique, you are in the right place, because here in Wendy Styles Short Hairstyles lives here, and we are here to bring the best of trendy short haircut for beautiful black women. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. One thing about the styles, take a good look on those beautiful haircut. It's a sassy haircut that will always make it look gorgeous. These are cuts that are that maternity form of curl that is long on top and short at the back and side. You can see the style will create that illusion of added volume and dimension. And one thing with this is that the shape of this cut will always accentuate women's facial bone structure quite well. And I love this haircut because it's an easy, we would like to say low maintenance short haircut, and the haircut is a hairstyle that will elaborate your facial features. And this haircut, they are really that low maintenance style, and they're easy to style. And it's one kind of hairstyle that you just have to wake up, take a bath and leave the house. You don't need much stress in front of the mirror. So I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. You're not gonna regret. If it's the first time bumping on this video, you can check out other of my videos, check out how you can style your hair on your own, check out some beautiful natural hair for those that want to relax. You can also try some of the styles. I have different kind of videos on short hair course, so just go ahead and check the rest of my video. And I will appreciate everyone if you come to my comment section in case you have any question. I am always here to give you reply. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. God bless you guys, and compliment of the season. See you guys in my next video.
I am the Lord No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through. Drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more. Drop it at my feet. Oh, I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Hey. I am the Lord, I'm not a man. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. Hey. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Bring it on to my feet. Nothing is so hard for me to do again. Oh, drop it at my feet. Oh, drop it at my feet. Oh, bring it on. Ayana. Why? Usukariari elelo kuka. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. Hey. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. I saw you cry at night when no one was watching. And now, I saw you tears when no one was watching. I will wipe your tears. I'm the God of all flesh. Oh, no, no. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Kanya Nabakubaraba. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to. Drop it at
I'm sorry,
my
this
feet.
has to be addressed. How did this become this? Become this? Become this? Huh?
My yoke is light. My burden is light. Ayadala mono kosheta lebrango shatanaba. Oh,